If you want to add a dialog box which would ask if you want to exit the app or not, just follow this simple video and get done. Let me run the application before starting, and show you the current state. As of now we have no dialog box when back button is triggered. Create the onBackPressed method which will be called when you press the back button on this activity. Now let's create the function which we have to call when back button is pressed. I will name it exit by back key, but you can name it anything you want. Now, let's create an alert dialog box, which will appear when back button will be pressed. Now create setMessage function. This method sets the message to be displayed in the alert dialog. Set a message according to your need. Now create a button with text yes on it, which will be responsible to close the app. Now you have to set the positive, yes, or negative, no, button using the object of the Alert Dialog Builder class. System.exit with a status code 0 will close the app. Similarly, a button with text no, which would do nothing. Apart from this, you can use other functions provided by the Builder class to customize the alert dialog. These are here on the screen, such as set icon. This method set the icon of the alert dialog box. And set title. This method set the title to be appear in the dialog. Remove super, because we are not inheriting anything here. Now call the method which we just created, onBackPressed method. Now, let's run our application again and see the changes that we have made. Now if we click on back button, our dialog box will appear, with the options, yes and no. If we click on no, nothing will happen. Now, if we click on yes, our application will close. Thanks. If you have watched till here, we will be coming with more such videos on this channel, so, subscribe us, and stay tuned.